2x equals 6 minus 4y, and we also have minus 3y equals 4x. So it has to find the value of x and y respectively. So this is simultaneous equation. And the first thing you have to do is to arrange these linear equations respectively. Okay, now let's begin with arranging the one that came first. If we are arranging, the x and y variable should be at an end of the equation, one end of the equation, whereas number term should be at the other end of the equation. Basically, what I mean is, for the first expression, it's going to be 2x plus 4y equals 6. All right, so we bring the variables together at one end and the number term at the other end, where x will come first before y. So for the second expression, we're going to have it to be 4x plus 3y equals -3. So when you arrange it, this is basically what we're going to have. Now, there are two ways you can solve simultaneous equation. We have the elimination method and the substitution method, right? But the elimination method is usually faster. That's what I'm going to be using in this video, the elimination method of it. So for this question now, we're going to apply elimination method. In the elimination method, we are basically trying to eliminate one variable and use the output of the other variable we get to get the other variable we eliminate. Basically, in this question, to eliminate a variable here, we need to get the variable or the term to be equal. To do this, we are going to say equation 1 times 2 here and equation 2 times 1. So when you do it, you're going to have two sets of equations. So when you times everything here by 2, you're going to have 4x plus 8y equals 12. And when you times everything here by 1, you still get the same values. We have 4x plus 3y equals -3. Alright, so at this juncture, let's eliminate. Now, if you look carefully, notice that we now have a term that we have a variable that the term is equal, is the same, rather. So 4x can minus 4x, which gives us 0. Alright, so x, we're going to have 0 here, plus 8y minus 3y gives us 5y equals 12 minus 3. This thing is 12 minus 3. Okay, and minus times minus gives us plus, so it's going to be 12 plus 3, which gives us 15. Very, very important, guys. Take note of the sign convention. To make our y the subject formula, variables, and this is the same thing that the 0 is nothing, 5y equals 15. So the variable sign by 5. Alright, so our y will be 3. Now, since our y is 3, let's get our x. To get x, plug y in any of this expression. Alright, now let's plug y in this equation 3. And so we're going to have, okay, so when y is 3, plug y here, so this is going to give us 4x, okay, plus 8 times 3 gives us 24 equals 12. To make x the solid formula, this 24 equals over the equality sign change to negative. So we're going to have 4x equals minus 12. 12 and 24 equals minus 12. We divide both sides by 4. Alright, so our x will be minus 12 divided by 4 will be -3. So when x is -3, our y is 3. Okay, now another way you can do this, let me wipe some parts of this solution. You can also plug in y in this equation 1 or equation 2. You still get -3 as the output of x. But let's take each and every one of them we have done for this one. Okay, let's take for this second one. Now, we are going to have 4x plus 3 times 3 gives us 9 equals -3. So this 9 equals by the equality sign and it changed to -9. So minus 9, going to have 4x equals -3 minus -9 gives us -12. Divide both side by 4 to get the same output. X will still be -3. Alright, now let's take for the first equation. Let's wipe up. Okay, so for the first equation, we have 2x plus 4y equals 6. So when you plug in y, value of y, so you're going to have 2x plus 4 times 3 give us 12 equals 6. So this 12 equal by equality sign change to negative. Alright, so you're going to have 2x equals 6 minus 12 give us negative 6. Divide by both side by 2. Our x will still be negative 3. Finally, let's check with this one. Now, when you check with equation 2 is 4x plus 3y equals negative 3. So let's see, we're going to get the output of x to be minus 3. So we're going to have 4x plus, now, 3 times 3 gives us 9. Alright, equals negative 3. This will cross over. I will change to what? Negative 9. So we need to have 4x, okay, equals, I think we have done this. So this equation should the same thing with this equation 4. Alright, so no need doing it again. Okay, so this is basically how you can deal with simultaneous equation using elimination method. Let's verify something. Okay, let's verify with this and see when you plug in the value of x here and the value of y, if we're going to get 6. Alright, so when x is negative 2, when x rather is negative 3, y is positive 3. So we're going to have 2 times negative, so we'll have minus 6 plus 4 times 3, 12. So minus 6 plus 12 will give us 6. So the output here is correct. Okay, so basically in this question, when x is negative 3 or y is 3, so that will be the solution to this simultaneous equation. It is as simple as that.